So welcome back, guys. Super excited to have you back. Good. Thank you for sticking around. So in secret number 3, we'll. Okay, so welcome back, guys. Excited to have you back here again. So in the first video, we talk about our introduction. Last video, we talk about secret number 1, which means you need to find some high ticket product to make the quickest amount of money. And in this video, we'll talk about picking a niche. So what the niches, niche, or whatever, right? So niche is basically a business category, right? What is a business category? Which means a group of things, right? So you can pick pet food. I was talking about the last video, pets. You can go into sports, fishing, home and gardening, health, wealth, or relationship, the last, which what I have on the screen right now. And the reason why I put these 3 niches down on the screen is because they are called evergreen niches. Evergreen niches means these type of content or this kind of niche is something somebody is going to look for 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road. So they are called evergreen. So health, let's say, for example, health, somebody will be looking for how to become slim, how to build 6-pack. So that 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, somebody's still going to look for that answer to that question, right? And in wealth, what people do is people are always looking for ways of making money, right? So that they can have a little bit extra, pay their phone bill, take the family for holidays, spend more time with their family, or even able to quit their job so that they can move to something to do online, right? So that's all the wealth category. And in relationship, again, 5, 10 years down the road, there is still people looking for a relationship, right? So these are called evergreen niches. And in there, I put some example right here. So you got under health, you got fitness, you got diet, you can go with sports. In the wealth, you got to make money online, the real estate, stocks, or crypto. And with relationship, you've got dating, marriage, divorces, how to connect with your kids. So these are all the different categories within the niche that you can focus your time into, right? For me, I choose make money online because I'm not although I want to be a boxer, but I'm not a very passionate about health. All I know is I need to keep fit, right? With relationship, it's not really of my concern, but I'm more concerned of making money so that I can, because my goal is to be able to have time freedom and location freedom, meaning I can work from anywhere in the world on my laptop and just traveling the world, right? So that was important to me. So I choose make money online because end of the day, we need money for everything, right? Even for health, right? You need to pay your gym membership. You need to eat healthy. You need to have buy protein. So you need money for that. So even if relationship, I want to go on a date, I need money to go on a date. And you with me so far? So for me, I think make money online is the best category, and I've seen it for the past couple of years. It's the one that makes the most money, right? So that comes secret number 2, right? Stick with making money online by promoting digital products, right? Stick with making money online by promoting digital products, right? So this is secret number 2, right? Remember that. Stick with money making online. Cut through the bullshit. So I will see you in the next video, in video number 3 or secret number 3, right? I'm going to show you how to pick a product. So see you in the next video.